I am having problem with Call of Duty Mobile's key mapping, and I am currently on the gameloop's latest version. Already the latest version, it is 5.1.145.90. Let me show you the diagnosis information about my system. I thought it would be better if I include this in the video. I hope you can see it. So when I enter any game, my key mapping doesn't work. Let me enter a game. I will pause the recording and I will be back soon. I am inside a game now. It is a multiplayer game. As you can see, all right. As you can see, I don't have any key mapping on the screen right now except a equal sign on the running button. If I press equal sign on the keyboard, I just pressed it, my operator seems to run. If I press it again, the equal button gets cancelled. Now you don't see any key mapping on the screen, right? I have the key mapping display on. As you can see right here, display key mapping tips, this is checked. If I reset the key mapping and then save again, I don't see the key mapping. This is same problem with battle royale also. It doesn't work. I cannot play. My WSD button doesn't work. My operator cannot move. So I have to click the screen and drag my mouse for the aiming to for the gun to move, but I can't aim. So if I delete a key mapping, let's say the WSD thing, I delete it and again I save it, then I again go to the key mapping and I add the steering wheel from the game loop and save it. I have the WSD, these four buttons on my screen, and I can use these four buttons to move, as you can see. So it works. The thing I did here, that was an advice from some YouTube video I followed. So if I delete each individual key mapping from here and then add them again, it will work. I tried to do this before recording this video, but where the problem arises, I cannot remap the right click button here, the thing I'm moving here, the right click button. If I delete the right click button, save it, then again go to my key mapping and try to add a new key map, and I press my right click. I'm pressing the mouse right click right now. As you can see, the right click doesn't gets registered here for being used as a key. So I press reset, I press save, and the WSD button goes away again. I cannot control my player right like this. To fix these issues, I tried several things. Like I tried to run game loop as an administrator, but it didn't work. Run this game loop as administrator. I tried to run it, but it didn't work. I went to the file location. I tried to delete the default key mapping. Here is a file called default key mapping XML. I tried to delete this and then manually key map my character or my game here. I face the problem. I get stuck when I have to add the key right click button of my mouse. I was stuck. So this is a problem with my game. Obviously I uninstalled the game loop once before. When I started having this problem, I uninstalled game loop completely. All the registry files in the computer, I deleted them completely. Then I reinstalled the game loop, and I have to like drag in the screen for this to work. As you can see, I'm clicking my mouse and then dragging for the operator to move. I'm dragging for the screen to move. This is the problem I'm facing. Let me show you some other settings. Uh, I'm on medium high frame rate, and my controls are on shooting mode, uh, advanced shooting mode. I have downloaded the HD research, the HD. I've downloaded the HD resource pack, and that's everything I have for now.